Coral Reefs, an inquiry project, researched and presented by Liliana. How are coral reefs formed? Coral reefs are formed when free-swimming corals stick to underwater rocks or hard structures near the coast of islands or continents, shared by the National Ocean Service. How many coral reefs are there in the world? Coral reefs cover less than 1% of the Earth's surface. However, 25% of the ocean species depend on coral reefs for shelter and food. Are there unidentified species of animals that are in the coral reefs in the world? There aren't any unidentified animals in the coral reefs, but there is a really cool kind of fish in coral reefs. It's called the spot-fin lionfish. This fish is a vicious predator to local victims that live in the reef. Where do coral reefs get their color? Most coral polyps have clear bodies. Their skeletons are white like human bones. Generally, their brilliant color comes from the zooxanthellae or tiny algae living inside their tissues. Several million of zooxanthellae live and produce pigments in just 1 square inch of coral. These pigments are visible through a clear body of polyp and are what gives coral its beautiful color, shared by the Coral Reef Alliance. What are the parts of a coral reef? Coral reefs are related to sea anemones, and they all share the same simple structure, the polyp. The polyp is like a tin can open at just one end. The open end has a mouth surrounded by a ring of tentacles. The tentacles have stinging cells called nematocists that allow the coral polyp to capture small organisms that swim too close. Inside the body of the polyp are digestive and reproductive tissues. Coral differ from sea anemones in their production of a mineral skeleton, shared by Ocean Finder. These are my citations. The end. I hope you learned a little something about coral reefs.